Welcome back, kids. Today we will draw a cute elephant girl. So let's start. First, draw a big circle and make the end long. We are making its trunk. Draw its trunk, then connect it with a curved line. Look, we draw it like a whistle. Now draw some small line on trunk. Well done. Now let's draw elephant ear. Draw two big circles on its head. Look, it's looking very beautiful. Now draw the eyes. Draw a circle, then make a black dot. Good job! Now draw the other eye also. Lastly, draw a big and cute smile. Well done! It's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw the body. Draw two curved lines on both sides, like this. Now connect it with a line. Good job! Now let's draw the flag. First draw a thick line, then draw the shoes. Just draw like me, and it's done. Let's draw the other leg also. Do the same thing, and it will look good. To draw the tail, first draw a curved line, then draw some line at the end. Now let's draw elephant hand. Draw a line, then make some fingers. Well done! Now draw the other hand also. Draw a line, then make some fingers. To make it more cute, draw a heart shape. Now draw another heart shape. Lastly, connect with a line. Look, we draw balloons. We complete the drawing, so let's color it. First, use light purple color on its body. First, color the ears. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now color the other ear also. Look how cute it's looking. Now color on the face. If you color the outline first, then the color will not go outside, and it will look very great. Color very carefully, and don't color on the eyes. know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Good job! Now use pink color on the face. Draw a big circle and slowly fill pink color. Now use pink color on the ears. Draw a big round shape and carefully fill the color. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Now use yellow color on its cloth. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, use red color on the heart shape. Carefully fill the color out and don't make any mistake. Color the other heart also. Well done, we complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. You know what? She is Peppa Pig friend. And her name is Emily. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my kid cartoon channel.